Hello, I'm Renata. Welcome to my channel. In the last video, I showed a tutti frutti cake recipe. In this video, I will again show another tutti frutti cake recipe. Like the previous video, I will use the dough making jar, dough making blade and dough making switch only to make this cake. This will make the batter making process effortless and quick by reducing time to 6 to 8 minutes instead of standard 20 to 30 minutes. Please watch the video till the end. If you like this video, then please subscribe, like, share, comment and press the bell icon with notification selected as all. Let's begin with the ingredients used here. I have made orange juice from 2 to 3 large oranges. I have peeled off the skin and broke them into small pieces to help them blend into juice. Strained it to get orange juice without pulp. Ready-made unsweetened orange juice without pulp from packet can also be used. Other types of fruit juices can also be used. In a bowl, I have taken diced dates without seeds, 2 cups containing 22 to 23 pieces, cut into 2 to 3 pieces. I have added peta or murabba or winter gourd candy 2 to 3 pieces because I have them this much only. It is optional. I also added black raisins half cup. Alternately, golden raisins can be used. To the dry fruits, I have added homemade orange juice without pulp 1 cup or till all ingredients are submerged. I soak them for 1 hour to rehydrate the dry fruits, otherwise it will soak water from the batter and to make the cake dry. Minimum time is 15 minutes. Stir 2 to 3 times in between. Within this 1 hour, I did some preparatory works like I have peeled the skin of the oranges with a peeler like this. I have ensured that the white part of the orange skin is not peeled. It tastes bitter and can make the cake bitter. A grater can also be used to do this work. I will use colorful tutti frutti and red and green cherries in this style of cake. This is the general size of the cherries. I have cut the large cherries into halves with fingers or spoon. In a bowl, I have taken red cherries, green cherries and tutti frutti of 2 types. I have taken half cups each. This means I have 2 cups in total. I have added all-purpose flour 1½ tablespoon and coated all ingredients well and kept aside. This will prevent the tutti frutti and cherries from sinking in the cake. The other works I have done are I have preheated the oven in the regular baking mode for 350 Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. I have used 9 by 5 inches, a low bread pan. I have covered it with a parchment paper and coated it inside and outside with sunflower oil. Please check the previous video or my short on it to know the process. The prerequisite to make any cake is that all ingredients must be in room temperature. If things are used from the refrigerator, then they must be left outside in the room temperature for at least 1 hour to bring them to room temperature. After 1 hour, I have poured the salted melted butter, half cup, from 150 grams of solid butter and beaten it with the dough maker switch for 1 to 2 minutes or till the butter becomes foamy and light in color. Melted butter in the microwave for 1 minute and left it outside to cool down. Then I have added eggs 3 pieces and beaten them for another 1 to 2 minutes or till the butter egg becomes curdled. I have added powdered sugar 1 cup and beat it for 1 minute or till it melted. I have then added orange peel half cup. I beat it for 2 minutes or till it became thick orange paste. It is okay if some peels stay in the batter. I have added all-purpose flour 1½ cups. I have strained it to remove lumps from it. Then I have given baking soda ½ teaspoon, baking powder 1½ teaspoon and green cardamom powder ½ teaspoon. I beat it for 2 minutes or till the batter becomes thick, liquid, yellow batter. If your butter is unsalted, then add salt about 1/4 teaspoon at any stage of batter making process. The batter is ready, so I have taken out the blade and scraped the blade clean to avoid wastage. I have also checked there is no lump in the batter. I've added the flour-coated tutti frutti and cherries. Then I have added the soaked dry fruits after gently pressing them but not squeezing them. I mixed all ingredients for 2 minutes. I mixed in a circular motion. That is, while mixing, I have brought up all ingredients from the bottom. Don't throw away the juice as it can be used in the batter. For the essence, generally vanilla essence is used. However, I use green cardamom powder or Bengali garam masala powder. Orange peel or lemon peel provides good essence as well. Apart from these, rose water and other fruit essences can be used. Bengali garam masala powder, which consists of cinnamon, green cardamom and cloves in the ratio of 7:4:1. The ingredients are not falling smoothly, so I have added 3 tablespoons of the dry fruit soaking juice to make the batter thinner. Milk or water can also be added. The batter looks great. The batter is falling freely in lumps. I poured the batter into the cake tin. Then with a spoon, I have leveled the top part and pushed the batter towards the edges to give it a nice rectangular shape. To remove air gap from the batter, I have tapped it on the countertop for 4 to 5 times. For garnishing, I have taken some broken cashews and dark tutti frutti. Then with all-purpose flour half teaspoon, I have coated them and distributed them over the cake. Flour will help the garnishing to stay on top and not sink into the batter. My cake is ready for baking. I placed the tray in the middle of the preheated oven and baked in the convection mode for 335 degrees Fahrenheit for 65 minutes or till cooked completely. After 65 minutes, the cake has a bulging golden brown crust and looks done. I have poked the cake with a skewer or a toothpick in some areas, including the middle part. It has come out clean. Otherwise, I would have baked for another 5 to 10 minutes based on the wetness inside the cake revealed in the skewer. My cake is well baked, so I placed the cake outside to cool down. I returned after 1 hour. The cake has cooled down. I have tapped the tin on the sides to loosen the cake. This helps the cake to come out easily. I have removed the parchment papers as well. It's December, so the sun has set early. That is why it is dark already, which is why the cake is looking dark. I have cut the cake into thick slices, otherwise they will break. I have got 7 to 8 thick slices. 2 to 7 or 8 people can eat it. I decorated the cake with some red and green cherries. See how well the cake is baked. It is also very soft. Let me tear it and show you inside how it looks. The whole cake is full of tutti frutti, cherries and dates. It tastes very yummy. Please make it at home like this and share it with your friends and family members. Write in the comment box how it was. If you like this video, then please subscribe, like, share, comment and press the bell icon with notification selected as all. You can also ask questions. I would love to answer them. I also read all comments. I will be back with another tasty recipe soon. Till then, ta-ta!